easy process to do knotless braid without feeding. The best process of you learning how to do knotless braid without adding fiber one after the other, and also without you adding extension one after, especially if you do not know how to add extension or feeding braids on your hair. Hello, it's your girl Fine Hair. Welcome in today's video. Please watch till the end of the video for you to able to learn the whole step by step on how to do knotless braid without feeding in extension. So the first step after parting the hair is we are going to invisibly add the extension. So that is the first one that we just add now, and this is the second one that we just add, and third one. And after the third one, the next step is we are going to share the braid to equal section or equal part. Again, I'm leaving the very juicy detail till the end of this video, so watch till the end if you really want to know the very easy process to do feeding braid without adding extension one after the other. Okay, so once you did that, the next will be you close the hair as the natural hair that you section into two. And after that, the next step is, which is going to be the third step, is to section the hair in 3 different sections, while the extension is right on the scalp of the hair. Okay, I did the first one. I'm using my second, which is my left hand, to section the hair. And what I did is I have my index finger and my thumb closed. Like that is what grabs the hair, like hold the hair together. You see what I'm doing? And yes, that is really the beginning step on how to do knotless braid without feeding the braid. Again, watch till the end of this video for you to know the full detail on how to do it, so it look exactly like knotless braid. And you're going to see. Okay, so once we do that, I purposely did not remove this like I did this, so you see, in case when you're doing it and it's your first time, you're going to come across this where you feel like it's knotted. All you have to do is use your left hand and start from the very tips of where the knot is, and use your hand and just run down through it. That's it. So yes, that is the main reason why I have it right, so you see. So I'm braiding the knotless braid, and as you can see so far already, it does not show the knot on her scalp. Her natural hair is well protected, and is the feeding, like you see, the feeding process is already having effect. Again, watch till the end of the video so you see all the whole process. I'm leaving that for those that are, again, they say that the patient dog is the fattest milk. Okay, so yes, family, thank you so much for watching. And have you subscribed yet? Okay, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. So, and also like this video. The more you like it, the more you comment, is how YouTube is going to show it to more people. So please, thank you for always supporting me, and please keep supporting your girl Fine Hair. Okay, so as you see, I'm already braiding the hair, but I'm not going to do the full braiding to the tips, because this video is more on showing you how to do knotless braiding. As you see, there is no knot at all. Knotless braiding without feeding braid. So this second one, we are adding jam hair gel. You can use what then we section it. And I'm doing the whole, like I said, the more I go is the more I'm showing more detail, more steps, and much more in detail. So yes, so again, now I'm sure you probably will be able to guess what is going to be my next step, which is to feed in the bread right now without braiding the hair. Like, it's like, okay, let me slow. So you see, I did the first hair. I'm feeding in the extension, fiber, attachment. I remember we call it that. Okay, the second extension, and the third one. Now, the next step is for us to now section it into two equal parts. Now, comment in the comment section if you have watched me this session and just say, oh, this purple is popping, like popping purple. Okay, so yes, now we section it. I have the first one, now the second braid. And I think I'm gonna slow a little bit. Okay, so we add her natural hair together. So I'm going to show you, it's my index finger and my thumb. My index and my thumb. You see my right hand and my left hand. Index finger and the thumb is what is separating the hair. Then after that, I have the hair into three. You go the first one, right? I'll show you again. You have a full hair that you section in one. Then you're going to section it in three different parts. And that is the second. You see, I have my hand open already. Then I add the hair to my index and my thumb. It will always be in between my index finger and my thumb, my first finger and my second finger, and I grab the extension. Again, remember, we are not feeding the attachment like just the practical way or the regular method. We're just making it easy. So we are not feeding it individually. We have it already prep or pre-added to the hair, and we just got. Again, this method, you do not need, I say, you really do not need family. In this method, it's easy way and it's the best method if you don't know how to feed in bread. This method is the bam bam. Yeah, this method is the easy way for you to do knotless braid without feeding in. I'm gonna let you like enjoy the video and see what your girl fine hair is doing in her with her natural hair. You see how I'm covering it, I'm protecting her hair. So when she start moisturizing it, the hair, her natural hair will not be all popping or sticking out, but still she have it in protective style and she can still style it. See, it's all nice and knotless. Okay, so that is just how you knot it, like I show you again, so you see what I did very well. If you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section. And if you have watching me this far, comment in the comment section. Nice green, nice green. Okay, so the same concept, I'm gonna be a little bit faster, but I will show you more in detail. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the best part to this end. So this is how you do knotless braid without feeding in the braid. This is the easy method, the best method. And when we are doing knotless, the whole concept is the knot from the braid does not show on the scalp and you do not see it. So it's more of a knot and it's less. So we did the same thing. Now I'm going to, before you do it, you braid the hair the first and the second time. So you're going to watch, see what I did, and that's why I left it for the end. So you see, second, the third. Now I'm going to start adding the braid. You see, like again, we are not physically feeding the braid right now. I'm holding the hair, so that is what I do. See, just easy way for you to have the knotless look and without feeding the braid one after the other. So I slow it a little so you see all what I'm doing, and see it's already, you see the knotless effect already on it. And yes, family, this is the easy way, the best way for you as a beginner. If it's your first time trying to learn how to do knotless braid and you don't know how to feed in the braid, which means add the extension one after the other, this is the easy way for you to do it. This is easy way for you to achieve knotless braid, knotless buzz braid without adding the hair one after the other. And as I showed you, you see how I'm gripping the hair. I use my 4 fingers and have it safe, you see, while my thumb and my index finger is also keeping it safe, which means it's not keeping it very tight and secure without pulling her natural hair. I will go a little more slower. Like I said, I was gonna keep all this for the end. So if you have watched me this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And yeah, may good God bless you for always coming back. And also, if it's your first time here, thank you for watching. Please like this video, comment, comment. That is showing that you support what I'm doing here. And also, it encouraged me to do more hair on how to braid, how to cornrow. If you have any question or any hair that you would like me to do in the future, please leave me in the comment section and I'll be happy to do that video. So this is how the end results. As you can see, the knotless buzz braid without feeding, without adding extension one after the other, and we still have the nice knotless effect. So comment in the comment section, are you going to try this method? And let me know if you like the whole color combination of everything in this video. Comment in the comment section color. Thank you.